name is Rachel McKinstry, and for the first physics assignment, I have chosen to demonstrate the physics concept of projectile motion. So, projectile motion is going to be demonstrated by my homemade potato cannon that my dad helped me to safely make. If created incorrectly, and there are any weaknesses in the ABS piping, or if there's any holes that aren't filled in, it could potentially burn your fingers if it leaks, or if it could explode if there are weaknesses. So, very dangerous. And so, potato cannons are actually good for demonstrating several physics concepts. These can include combustion, which is seen in the propulsion system. You can have the electricity, which is how we ignite it, also part of the combustion system. There's momentum, there's acceleration and velocity, gravity, and the all-important projectile motion. So a projectile is anything that moves through the air or through space under the influence of gravity. So typically this means that anything could be a projectile. I could throw a hat, I could throw a baseball, or I could even throw a water bottle. They're all different projectiles. The idea of projectile motion is usually seen as a parabola or an arc that takes place due to gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second squared. The concept of projectile motion can be defined as a form of motion experienced by an object or particle that is thrown near the Earth's surface and moves along a curved path under the action of gravity and momentum. So, probably the most popular modern day game, which includes parabolic trajectory, is Angry Birds. So this is the barrel of the potato cannon, and right up here is the potato, which is our projectile. So what has to happen is it has to be shoved down the barrel, or it could stay here, but it's usually better if it's further down. So, now that it's down the barrel, down here we have the combustion chamber. So the nail and the piece of wire are what create the circuit, and it allows the spark to jump between them, completing the circuit. So what we have here is a piezoelectric sparker, which is when a small hammer bangs against a little piece of quartz that produces a spark and allows an electrical current to take place. So what has to happen is, thank you, the hairspray which we are using is going to be the combustible product, and in order for a good combustion to take place, you need the proper fuel-air mixture, which is why when I spray it, it will be into the open back, and then I will quickly seal it. So when I fire it, I recommend that you either lower the volume or just hope it's not as loud as it normally is, because it sounds like a bit of a gun going off, so it can hurt your ears. So I'm just going to spray it for 3 seconds. That's all it really needs in order to produce sufficient combustion. So 1, 2, 3. And then I quickly seal it as tight as it can go to prevent any leaks, which can burn me. So I'm going to be wearing headphones that prevent very loud sounds. And I feel bad for my horse and my donkey, who are quite nearby. Oh, went further than before. Great. So, needless to say, our raccoons will be very happy tonight because they get free food in the middle of winter. And if you have any questions, ask me. So, thank you for listening and have a good night.